Hello, I'm Daniel from Carbonwurks and you join us here today with a great example of an E92 M3. Don't worry about the dirt, it is winter time, so it's going to get a little bit mucky, these cars. But the reason it's here today is for the carbon roof, which they do suffer. Not only E-Series cars, we've seen a lot on F-Series cars, and actually, even though the G-Series has only been out a couple of years, we've even seen some of those roofs suffer. So this particular one, if you follow me here, has a little bit of damage. And this comes from bird drop-ins, or if a valeter or cleaner's used a heavy sort of acidic cleaner, then it can deteriorate. So as you can see, the lacquer is coming off, and I'll peel this because we are going to refinish it. But this has suffered with a reasonable amount of damage, some UV problems, as well as obviously bird drop-ins burning through here. So this is quite a process. It's not particularly quick to do. And it just takes a little bit of time to work through the stages, which we'll show you now, and I'll talk a little bit later on. So enjoy this part of the video, and I'll talk you through a little bit later about the process and what we do with repairing these roofs. So we're actually in the process of removing the dead lacquer. As you can see, the guys here are peeling it off like an old snake skin. You can actually see, if you check out some of the old lacquer that's been peeled off, it's actually quite yellow. So over the time, it does just effectively get a little bit of UV damage, and it effectively goes a little bit yellow. So this has all been removed in preparation for lacquer. So a little bit of sanding work that's required for that, as well as potentially a little bit of resin here and there just to get it nice and level. But this is quite a satisfying process, I think. It's almost like pulling off a wax strip. So you join us here now with the car complete. Obviously this M3 roof has been through quite a transformation, as you can see on the various bits of B-roll that no doubt you would have seen. It's been stripped down, old lacquer's come off, and obviously it's then gone through a little bit of a repair process as well as being re-lacquered. It's been re-lacquered twice actually, just because it was in actually fairly poor condition. So it looks fantastic. It's now got obviously some shine to keep the car looking immaculate, which I'm no doubt going to be sure that the customer's going to enjoy this one. He's also got a little doggy bag here as well. The old lacquer that came from the car, he can keep that as a little memento. So hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Thanks for watching as always. If you have any requirements for similar sort of repair work, please don't hesitate to get in touch. And like always, like, share and subscribe. See you soon.